For centuries, a simple stapler has been the unsung hero of office organization. The stapler's compact design and versatile function make it an indispensable tool for workspace efficiency. However, its humble appearance belies a complex mechanism that requires careful consideration to maximize its potential. Imagine a staple jammed in the stapler's metal heart, causing it to malfunction and frustrate users. But what if you could unlock the secrets of the stapler's mechanism and transform it into a seamless workflow machine? The stapler's humble design has been a staple of office supplies for decades. Despite its ubiquity, few people stop to consider the intricacies of stapler mechanics. As we delve into the world of stapler organization, you'll discover the surprising ways in which a simple device can impact productivity and creativity. But that's not the strangest part. The stapler's impact extends far beyond the confines of the office. It's a metaphor for the importance of attention to detail in all aspects of life. So, with each component playing a crucial role in the stapler's operation, the stapler's metal body houses a complex system of gears and levers that work together to drive the staple through the paper. It's a remarkable example of miniature engineering, with each component playing a crucial role in the stapler's operation. But what happens when the stapler malfunctions, causing a jam or misaligned staple? The consequences can be disastrous, leading to wasted time and resources. And then something unexpected happened. A group of inventors developed a revolutionary new stapler design that addressed these issues. The new stapler features a patented mechanism that allows for smooth, effortless operation. Imagine being able to staple through thick stacks of paper without jamming or misaligning the staple. It's a game changer for office workers and DIY enthusiasts alike. The stapler's impact extends far beyond the office, with applications in industries such as manufacturing and construction. From assembly lines to construction sites, the stapler plays a critical role in keeping workflows efficient and productive. But what about the environmental impact of the stapler? The sheer volume of staples produced and discarded each year is staggering, with millions of tons ending up in landfills. So, what can we do to reduce the stapler's ecological footprint? One solution is to switch to reusable staples or adopt more sustainable office practices. By making these changes, we can significantly reduce the stapler's environmental impact. In addition to its practical applications, the stapler has also become a symbol of creativity and innovation. Designers and artists are increasingly using the stapler as a canvas for their work, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with this humble device. From art installations to fashion designs, the stapler has become a versatile tool for self-expression. But what about the stapler's role in education? Teaching children about the stapler's mechanism can help them develop essential skills, such as problem-solving and critical thinking. By introducing the stapler as a teaching tool, educators can make learning more engaging and interactive. The stapler's impact on our daily lives is undeniable, from the office to the classroom. As we continue to explore the world of stapler organization, we'll uncover even more surprising ways in which this simple device can transform our lives. So, join me on this journey of discovery, and let's explore the fascinating world of stapler organization. From mechanism to metaphor, we'll delve into the heart of the stapler and uncover its secrets. You'll be amazed at the ways in which a simple stapler can impact productivity, creativity, and even the environment. So, buckle up and get ready to learn about the stapler in a whole new way. As we conclude our exploration of stapler organization, remember the power of attention to detail in all aspects of life. The stapler may be a humble device, but its impact is anything but insignificant. So, the next time you see a stapler, remember the incredible story behind its humble design. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories like this one. Want to learn more about the fascinating world of stapler organization? Subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories like this one.